Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Zeus, the god of thunder, on Draw to Impress. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is just the hair and the facial hair. For the facial hair, I used this mustache in the first toggle. It's in the masculine section for those wondering. In white, position it at y.55, z.61, and scale it to 0.94. And then I did this hair in the same color, position the y.15, z.53, x at 0 for the rotation, and scale it to 0.26. Selected this hair and animated slight wind, position it the same and scale it to 0.61. This is from the Christmas like daily quest-ish. If you don't have it, just go to wavy and select this hair here and just toggle it to half front, no flowers, and color it white. Then for the rest of the beard, I used this in all white, position the y.28, z.45, rotated the x to 1, scaled it to 0.08, and this this mustache in white, y.53, z.54, and scaled it to 0.65. Now for the outfit, I did use this. It's like the easiest outfit ever in white and this like gold color, B08A1E. And then obviously I had to use the wand, this one, in without the axe in this color, and like this blue in like a neon. And then for the like kind of crown aspect, I used just a flower crown for it in this color, in mostly all foils. So for the second one, foil, and then the third one I did default here, I think, and then the rest in that like same color. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.